In today's video, I'm going to teach you what happens if I lose my Microsoft Authenticator app. Losing access to your Authenticator can feel stressful, but you do have clear paths to get back in. First, here's what to expect right away. Without the app, you won't be able to complete two-step verification for your Microsoft accounts, and any third-party apps or services that were linked to that Authenticator will also fail when they ask for an approval or a code. That doesn't mean you're locked out for good. It just means you'll need to use one of the built-in fallback options to prove it's really you. When you go to sign in and it asks for the app, look for the option that says, I can't use my Microsoft Authenticator app right now. Select that. You'll be offered alternate verification methods that are already on your account, like a text message, a phone call, or a code sent to an alternate email address. Choose the method you can access today, complete the verification, and finish signing in. If you no longer have the phone number or email on file, don't worry, we'll cover other routes next. If you had cloud backup turned on in the Microsoft Authenticator app settings, restoring is straightforward. Install the app on your new device, sign in with the same account you used for the backup, and choose Restore from Backup during setup. Your saved accounts should repopulate, which often means you can pick up where you left off. Take your time during this step and confirm each account is working before moving on. Another option is the alphanumeric recovery code you were shown when you first set up two-factor authentication. If you securely save that code, use it when prompted to regain access. This is designed as a last resort key, so enter it carefully and keep it stored in a safe place offline. After you're back in, consider generating a fresh recovery code and updating where you store it. If your account is provided by your company or school, the fastest route is to contact the organization's IT help desk and ask them to require re-register MFA for your account. They'll reset your multi-factor registration so you can enroll your new device. Be ready to verify your identity with whatever your organization requires, then sign in and set up the Authenticator again. Once you've regained access, take a moment to review your security settings, turn on cloud backup, confirm your backup phone and email are current, and store your recovery code safely. That way, if you ever lose your device again, you'll be ready.